I love you, but some of you are speaking pidgin English very, very wrong. Oh, you are speaking pidgin English like it's British pidgin English. I know where that one today. So let me tell you, I want to teach you how to sound very, very natural like a Nigerian. Yes, that's why I'm going to be giving you 5 Nigerian phrases that will help you speak your pidgin English very, very well. Now, anybody you meet, when you meet somebody and you speak to them confidently, they'll just be turning their head. They'll be like, ah, with this person who teach on that one. Yes, I want to make people turn their heads and say, who taught you this? And then you're going to confidently say, Nami. You're going to say Ezinoma. You're going to say Zeno. Anyone, whichever one you want, it works. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, we'll go fix them. Sharp, sharp. Remember that pidgin English is not just grammar. Pidgin English is expression. Pidgin English is confidence. Pidgin English is vibe. So in order for you to be able to speak pidgin English like you mean it, you have to learn to express yourself. You have to be confident in it. Okay. It's not just grammar. It's not just how far I they come. Okay. Now let's get right into the video for today. Half my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Ezinoma. This is a place where we sip our cold over with a sharp of atorodo pepper. Yes, I bring you content we get vibe, content we go ginger, content we go wake up your spirit. But don't forget to take it in with our what? Hot atorodo pepper. Yes, because we need the truth. Okay, we don't only come here to learn pidgin English. So we're not even learning pidgin English. We're learning grammars, we're learning culture, we're learning confidence, we're learning to be that version of ourselves who already speaks pidgin English with confidence. Don't forget that. Okay, it's in your DNA. It's embedded inside of you. If you want to learn it, you can learn it. Okay, and that is why I'm here to assist you to make it come to pass. This particular phrase that you're going to master will help you speak effortlessly like a Nigerian. Yes, it's going to help you speak very well. Now your first mistake, don't worry, let me correct you. Now you don't say I am coming. Okay, you don't say I am coming in Nigeria. You say I they come. I they come. I they come. What does it mean? It means two things. Okay, but on a natural, I'm going to be telling you what it means. It means that you are saying that you are coming. It means you are coming. Okay, I they come. I am coming. But it can also mean, it can also be used in two ways, because sometimes a Nigerian person will tell you that I am coming, or they'll say I they come, and they are going. I they come, like you're coming back, but instead they are going. Oh, where they go? Are they come? Are they come? Are they go? And they are going out. They won't say are they come out though. They'll say I am coming. You see, you have to you have to be able to understand this. Okay, so don't say I am coming. Say I they come. Okay, I they come. Now this next pidgin phrase I'm going to tell you right now is going to make you sound like you are part of a community. Okay, you know Nigeria is a community. We are all together. There's this form of unity. Okay, yes, you know, because we speak pidgin English. Okay, so it's what's united. So in order for you to be part of this community, you need to learn this pidgin phrase. You need to learn this pidgin phrase. And what is this pidgin phrase? You don't say I have eaten. Okay, you don't say I have eaten in Nigeria. You say I don't chop. I don't chop. The don't there is used to indicate past tense. That's why I made this video. If you're yet to watch this video, go and watch it, how to use don't in a sentence. Okay, so I don't chop. I don't chop. Okay, it means that you have eaten. You have eaten. When you've eaten, somebody's asking, oh, you don't chop today. Say, I don't chop. What did you eat? Or I ate rice. Or I don't chop rice. On a rice I chop. Okay, I don't chop. I don't chop finish. I don't chop. It means you have eaten. I don't chop finish. It means that you're finished, like you finished eating. I just the chop finish. Like I just finished eating. Okay. Then you say, I just finished eating now. You can say, I don't finish to the chop now. Don't worry. Don't let it bother you. Okay. Don't. That is why I'm here. I'm going to break down this phrase so you understand. So you don't say I have eaten. You say I don't chop. Try this with your friend next time, and they're going to be like, oh, wow, where did you learn that from? Oh, what did you learn that from? You tell them that you learned it from Zeno. Of course. Of course. You know, everybody here in this online space, watching my videos, supporting me, we're all community, okay, and we're called the Ezinoma Pidgin tribe, okay, and we are warm people, we are grounded, we are soft, we are also vibrant, okay. So being soft doesn't mean that we're losing our cool, okay, and being soft doesn't mean that we don't know what we're doing. You know, in all of those things we still have vibe, okay. We know how to, like, you know, we know how to bubble whenever there is something like that, okay, whenever there is anything. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but don't worry, you understand. If you don't understand, Chineke Jirichukwu, I have to expand on my English vocabulary. This next pidgin phrase I'm about to show you, it's anchors on emotion, vibe, and connection. Okay, so when you just say this within phrase, people just look at you and then they understand, they can relate with you, they relate with what you're saying immediately, instantly, instanta. This next within phrase is going to make you sound very warm, very warm, very grounded, and very friendly to people. Okay, instead of you saying I am fine, you say I dey fine, I dey fine, I dey fine, I dey fine. This will help you sound very warm. You know, when someone asks you how far, okay, how you dey, you say I dey fine, I dey fine. Oh, yes. Oh, how far, John? How you dey? Hello, everybody. How you dey today? Ah, I dey fine. Oh, I dey fine. Oh, how you dey? Okay, you ask them back how you dey or how your side. Okay, that's how we roll. That's how we roll here. Anybody will tell you say content creation they easy, that person they lie. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. You don't say it's very difficult. You don't say it's difficult in Nigeria. You say e hard. E hard, not e hard. E hard. Ah, e hard. Wait. E hard. E hard. Hard. Like it's difficult. Okay. So you don't say it's difficult. Okay. You say e hard. E hard. Let's try it in a sentence. E hard. Pretty English. E hard because you know one learner. Okay. E hard because you know one learner. E hard because you don't want to learn it. E hard because you don't want to learn it. That is an example. Okay, that's a sentence example. Pidgin English is hard only because you don't want to learn it. You make it seem very difficult. But no worry, we go learn them small. Okay, we go they break and they digest them small. You know guys, you know guys fear anything. Okay, I'm here for you. That is why your Pidgin bestie is here for you. Now this next Pidgin phrase will help you express yourself. Okay, it's all about expression. Like I said before, Pidgin English is expression, it's vibe. Okay, it shows that you are actively engaging. It shows that you are engaged. Okay, you are not stiff, you are not rigid, you are not in one spot. You know, you are expressing yourself. Okay, so Pidgin English helps us express. So if you want to learn how to speak Pidgin English, you must be able to express yourself. Here is the phrase. I don't understand. I don't understand. No, you don't say I don't understand. You say I know understand. I know understand. No is negative. I know understand. I don't understand you, bro. You mean say you never watch my video? You mean say you never like this video? You mean say you never drop your comments? Guy, what did they wait for? I don't understand. It means like you don't understand it. How, how am I supposed to explain this one again? So you like you're expressing yourself. You see the way I just started? I don't understand though. Like you're like, I don't understand though. I'm already shaking my head. I'm telling you, there's no way you can do without it. Okay, so even if you're not perfect with the pronunciation, just make sure that you express yourself. There's a way you carry yourself. Just put some body language, put some vibe. People will like you. People will love you just for expressing yourself. You don't have to focus on the perfect. You have to speak like the locals or the native first. Before, if not, it will restrain you from speaking. Okay, try. Just do it. Even when you're speaking Korean, it has a way you carry yourself. You have to do a certain way. You have to, I know. I don't know what I'm doing, but you get the vibe. You get the vibe. Okay, express yourself. I know that. I don't understand though. You can. I don't understand though. I don't understand though. I don't understand though. Okay, just do a certain way. Okay, vibe with it. I don't understand though. I don't understand. I don't understand though. Let us practicalize it. I'm going to say it. You're going to repeat it. Okay, so it's like rinse and repeat. Okay. The first one is I don't chop. I don't chop. Say it slow. I don't chop. I dey fine. I dey fine. E hard. E hard. I no understand. I no understand. Okay, you are doing very well. You should clap for yourself. You are doing amazing. Okay, it gets better over time. Okay, once you rinse and repeat, once you say this word over time, you know repetition is powerful. It's what happens when you repeat things. Your brain catches it up. Okay, your subconscious mind picks up that word. That's why you affirm things. Okay, that's why you subconsciously hear some sound and then all of a sudden you're singing that song. Okay, so you catch up little by little. That's why I told you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, keep watching my videos, okay? Wherever and whenever you get the chance to practice, okay? Practice make perfect. Pidgin English is all about communication. Pidgin English is connection. Pidgin English is vibe. Pidgin English is expression, okay? And I want you to have all of that. So I'm doing my very best to make sure that I bring all of these things to you. I'm giving out my freebie for you to my free book for you to get you started. My Pidgin English free guide. Okay, it's absolutely free. Free now, free. There is no cost. Okay, no hidden fee, no extra charge. It's completely free. And if you want to level up your Pidgin game, you can go ahead to download my ebook. Okay, your Pidgin 101 Pidgin 101 ebook. Okay, it's in the link, or you comment Pidgin and I'll send it directly to you. Okay, I'm going to send you how you're going to get it. And then if you want us to vibe together one-on-one, you want to get to see me and relate with me and level up your Pidgin game really fast, then I've got you covered, because my one-on-one coaching class is currently ongoing. Yes, I have students who are taking the class, and there is millions and millions of results. If you are not following me on TikTok, do have to follow me on TikTok, because that's where I drop all of those things there. Okay, so you get the chance to vibe with me, you get the chance to ask me these questions, and you get the chance to learn it. Okay, so Pidgin English, you learn confidence, you learn everything, you learn how to make sentence in Pidgin. There's a lot of things that you don't know that I'm going to put you through all of those things. You're looking to come to Nigeria this year, next year. And with that, we have come to the end of this video today. Yes, I enjoyed the cutting for here, and until I go see you again, guys, I go live on my TikTok, so do well to follow me. Okay, follow me at Ezinoma. Okay, if you have not watched my video that I posted last, go and watch it. Go and learn how to price like a foreigner. Okay, like in Nigeria. Okay, not like a foreigner. Okay, like a real Nigerian. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye. I need to talk bye for Pidgin English. Oh yeah, now see you later.